In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe in your online payment settings. By the end, you'll have a secure connection ready to accept payments, and we'll keep things simple and clear the whole way. First, head over to Settings on the left side of your screen. This is your control center for account preferences and tools. Once you're there, look for Online Payment Settings and open it. This section is where you manage payment providers and configure how money is collected from your customers. Next, click Connect with Stripe. Stripe is a trusted payment processor that lets you accept major cards and digital wallets. When you click that button, your browser may open a new window or take you to an embedded page. Give it a moment to load. Don't refresh or click away while it spins, as that can interrupt the connection process. When the Stripe page appears, type the email and password associated with your Stripe account. Make sure you're on a secure page, look for the lock icon in your browser, and ensure the address is correct. For your security, never share your credentials with anyone and avoid typing them on public or shared devices. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it fill your details accurately. After entering your information, click Log In. Stripe will verify your credentials and prepare the connection. This may take a few seconds, so sit tight if you see a loading indicator. Keeping the window in focus helps prevent accidental timeouts. Once you're logged in, click Create. This action finalizes the link between your account and Stripe so payments can flow correctly. Think of it as confirming, yes, connect this account now. Again, wait for it to load. It's normal for this step to take a short moment while everything syncs behind the scenes. Avoid closing the tab or navigating away until you see confirmation back in your online payment settings. When the loading finishes, you should be connected and ready to accept payments. If something doesn't look right, a quick page refresh after the process completes can help display the latest status. For best results, use a reliable internet connection, keep your browser updated, and allow pop-ups for the site during the connection flow. That's it. You've navigated to settings, opened your online payment settings, connected with Stripe, logged in securely, clicked Create, and waited for the connection to complete. You're now set up to take payments confidently and securely. Thanks for watching.